बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. I am sure you must have completed your previous work of exercise 1A from book and notebook. Students, kindly complete and submit your work on time. Class 5, this is your notebook, Oxford New Countdown, Book 5, 3rd edition. Class 5, today our lesson number 2. Our chapter is 1, topic, numbers and arithmetic operations. Exercise 1A, page number 4. Students, open page number 4. On page number 4, you have question number 5. Write the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly according to international system. Part A, 1,900,000. Students, it has 3 parts and I will explain one for you and the remaining will complete by the help of the explained part. Put the date. Exercise 1A, page number 4 and write question number 5 from the book. Write the numbers in the figure giving the space correctly according to international system. Part A, 1,900,000. Part B, 840 million. So, first we put in the place value chart. We have to write in a international system. First we write 3 numbers in a millions period. Then we write 3 numbers in a thousands period. Then we write 3 numbers in a units period. Students, in this way we write the 840 million in numbers by the help of this. Students, you can complete your question number 5 in this way. On page number 4, you have question number 6. Write the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly. Students, there are the numbers without any gap. You have replaced the numbers into international system. Student, write question number 6 on your notebook and put the date. Exercise 1A, page number 4. Question number 6. Write the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly. Part A, 29053,84356. So you can replace the value in the place value chart. So students, we put the value in the place value chart. First we put 2 in the billions period and then 3 numbers in the millions period. Then we write 3 numbers in the thousand period. Then we write 3 numbers in the units period. Students, read it with me. 2,90,905,384,356. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों ने हर पीरियड के बाद स्पेस देनी है. बिलियन के पीरियड के बाद हमने स्पेस दिया, देन हमने मिलियंस के पीरियड के बाद स्पेस दिया, देन हमने थाउजेंड्स के पीरियड के बाद स्पेस दिया. नेक्स्ट पार्ट बी, पार्ट सी, ये आप लोगों ने खुद सॉल्व करने हैं. पार्ट डी 430501637. So student, put this value in the place value chart. So students, put this value in the place value chart. First 3 number put in the millions period, then 3 numbers put in the thousands period, then 3 numbers put in the units period. So we call and we read it 430,501,637. So students, read with me. 430 million space 501,000 space 637. Students, kindly question number 6 complete in the notebook. On page number 4 you have question number 7. write the following numbers in words. Part A 4 0 0 0 0 0 0. Student, kindly write question number 7 in your notebook. Write the following numbers in words. Part A ये आप लोगों ने खुद सॉल्व करना है. पार्ट बी है 7 6 5 0 0 0 0 0. फर्स्ट रिपोर्ट इन द प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. So students, put the 7 6 5 0 0 0 0 0. So read it with me. 76 million 500,000. 76 million 500,000. Students, write in this way 76 millions 500,000. स्टूडेंट्स, पार्ट सी आप लोगों ने खुद सॉल्व करना है. पार्ट डी है 2 8 4 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट वी राइट इन द प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, we put this value in the place value chart. So we have 2,840,000,000 2,840,000,000. Students, kindly write the answer in this way. 2,840,000,000. Students, kindly complete this question in the notebook. On page number 4, you have question number 8. Write the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly. Students, यहाँ पे आपको मेंशन किया हुआ है क्वेश्चन के अंदर कि आप लोगों ने स्पेस देना है. वहाँ पे आप लोगों ने स्पेस ही देना है, कोमा इंसर्ट नहीं करना है. और अगर आपके पास ये नहीं होगा, स्पेस के गिविंग द स्पेसिस करेक्टली लिखा हुआ नहीं होगा, तो फिर आप यहाँ पे कॉमा इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर नहीं है तो आप लोगों ने कॉमा इंसर्ट नहीं करना. पार्ट ए 2,500,000. काइंडली कॉपी इन दिस नोट इन योर नोटबुक. Student, write question number 8 in your notebook. Put the date. Exercise 1A, page number 4. Question number 8. Write the numbers in the figure giving the spaces correctly. Part A 2,500,000. So student, ये आप लोगों ने खुद सॉल्व करना है. पार्ट बी 5,740,000,000. Kindly put this value in the place value chart. So first we put this value in the place value chart. 5,740,000,000. पार्ट सी आप लोगों ने खुद सॉल्व करना है. पार्ट डी है 3,209,750,026. First we put in this value in the place value chart. Students, kindly put this value in the place value chart. 3,209,750,026. Student, write this value in this way. 3,209,750,026. Student, kindly complete this question in your notebook. Students, on page number 4 you have question number 9. Write the place value of the ring digit. Part A 14179,623. First you have to write question number 9 in your notebook. Put the date. Exercise 1A, page number 4. Part A. So in this question you have to find the value of the ring digit, which is 7. First we place a number in a place value chart. The ring digit is 7. How we know the value of the ring digit 7? 10,000. Then how we write it? We write it like this: 70,000. Part B, the value is 10909000605. In this question you have to find the value of the ring digit, which is 9. First we place a value in a place value chart. The ring digit is 9. How we know the value of the ring digit 9? 10 million. Then we write it like this, 90 million. Part C, the value is 349563182. The ring digit is 5. So first we place a number in a place value chart. The ring digit is 5. How we know the value of the ring digit 5? 100,000. Then how we write it? We write it 500,000. Students, rest of all the parts, part D, E, F, you have to do it yourself with the help of given examples.